Hello, all my friends out there in YouTube land. It's time for another one of my rants or mysterious conspiracy theories. So earlier today, I thought I'd go look at some trains before having lunch because I like to make videos of trains. So I'm out there waiting for a train, 25 minutes, half hour. My arthritis starts acting up. I'm wobbling, almost falling down. So I'm like, all right, I'll go have lunch. So I walk across the street safely at the crosswalk. Across the street, walk into the parking lot of the McDonald's. I'm right at the front door. Next thing you know, boom, I hear a train. I'm like, motherfucker. So I'm like, well, alright, I missed a train. Now I'm thinking, could this be a conspiracy of the Illuminati? Would the Freemasons be up to something? Or could it just be bad timing? One has to wonder. So then, I'm like, well, alright, it's just bad timing. I got to film some pigeons. So I'm good. So then, I'm waiting to see some trains afterwards while waiting for the bus. So right when I gotta leave to go get the bus, I hear a train whistle. I'm like, so maybe this is some sort of crazy secret society conspiracy to have trains show up right after I leave or right when I gotta go, or it's just incredibly bad timing. You be the judge. Now, if you don't want to be the judge, be the Aaron judge. If you don't want to be the Aaron judge, I don't know what any of this means. But thanks for watching.